my beautiful people. Is your one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, in today's topic now about this Mary. This Mary wey get one leg. Most of them go don see the video for social media. You know, that is why this life is not good. If you dey lie, e no dey good. So my ogbonge people, why I dey do this topic today be say the time wey that period I don do the video wey she take come out, wey dey take help her. I just talk how dey take start. So this girl, na one leg na she get. She dey sell things for street. So get one man, one faithful day, she come dey sell things dey go. Na one leg na she get. So the man come see and say, this kind girl wey get one leg like this, now they sell something and they still put some out, they sell something like this. People come pity for her, you know. So people come donate money for her. So everybody come dey happy. Now no say anything wey don enter social media now. Everybody go want donate money for the person. So people come donate money for the girl. People come really donate, really, you know. So all the money wey they donate for her come be 25 million, and they donate for her. So people, her life can't even change. Even when she do birthday, una need to see Mary. Mary come fine. Her makeup, everything. People come they say, so money fit change person like this. People come they happy for Mary, you know. People come they happy. They come say, God go bless that man wey bring her come out. So everybody come they happy for her. So my darling people, that is why this life e good make person dey talk truth for this life. E good make person dey talk truth for this life. That is why you see say all those people wey be say that they come out for social media like this, everybody go want help them. Some go talk truth, some go lie, you know. But one day people must still catch you. So this Mary, people come say, even when she do birthday, many bloggers, people come talk. They come say, na Mary come fine like this. Mary wey be say, when they see her that day, when that man bring her come out, e not just good at all. So na Mary come fine. So money fit really change person like this. So everybody come dey happy for Mary. So my ogbonge people, wetin come shock me today for the news wey me I come see today. I come see say they say Mary lie to them. Say Mary not talk truth for wetin. Even that period, before I talk this one, that period where everything come dey okay for her, they can't even do. They can't show one video where be say one guy can't go dey engage Mary because he say Mary don't fine. Everybody come shock her like say, when Mary dirty, you don't toast am o. Now when Mary don't fine now, now man can't go dey toast am. So my ogbonge people, now I can see news say Mary lie to them. Say Mary lie for the donation wey they do for her. Say she lie. I can say, why this girl go lie? They say she not tell them the truth of her story. They don't find out the real story. Then they can collect all the money where they donate for her. The thing come shocktalize everybody. Say this girl lie. Say they find out. Say she not tell them the truth about her. She lied to them. Now wow. Now they don't collect all the money where they give her now. Why? And God be don't just answer her prayer so. Or her situation be don't change. Now wow. When some people think they miss their luck for life. You where her situation be don't change. Now you can go lie. Now wow, my darling people. Things they happen for this world, child. Things they really happen, really. The thing shocktalize me when me I see the write up today. So wetin una think about this video now, my darling people? Wetin Mary do so na good thing?